is Kristen McFarland, and I'm a certified financial planner at Darrow Wealth Management. What happens to restricted stock units or stock options when a company goes public? If you have unvested stock options or RSUs, there likely won't be any major changes if your employer goes public, other than it'll be much easier to sell your shares in the future once the lockup period has passed and your shares have vested. Lockup periods generally range from 90 to 180 days, and during this time, employees, executives, and anyone considered an insider at the firm are restricted from selling their shares. When a company goes public, it typically doesn't change the vesting schedule or terms of an equity agreement either. If you have vested options that haven't been exercised, then you may have a choice to make, assuming the lockup period has not already begun. In this case, you could exercise before the IPO. This has the potential benefit of some possible tax savings if you have non-qualified stock options, or if you have qualified stock options if you were to do a disqualifying distribution. And this is because the spread, which is the difference between your exercise price and the fair market value of the stock when you exercised, will be taxed as ordinary income. In practice, by the time most employees find out about their employer's plans to file for an IPO, the lockup restrictions are already in place. And there are downsides to exercising before the IPO as well. First, you do not know how the market will react, and the lockup period prevents you from selling the shares even if you wanted to. So if the stock is doing badly, you're really just stuck. Further, because you don't know what the stock price will be when you're finally able to sell, you may have actually been better off waiting to exercise if the spread would have even been smaller. And perhaps the options have become underwater since the company went public, and now you're just hoping to break even. Also, remember to work with your financial advisor and your tax professional to develop a plan before exercising your stock options. Not only are there potential tax consequences to exercising, but you'll also want to explore your options to see how this piece of your overall compensation fits into your life and how a possible windfall can be allocated to help you achieve your other financial goals. Visit our website for other great resources on stock options, investing, and to learn more about how we work with clients to help them achieve their wealth and lifestyle goals.